साहेबा कितली कामां आनी हो फोन आनी परत परत वाज हाडटा. हॅलो
हॅलो अगो प्रियंका खंय आसा तू?
अरे हांव रिकॉर्ड रूमान आसा, रिकॉर्ड सोदता.
अगो तो रिकॉर्ड सोड. अनिल सराचो बुके खंय आसा?
कसलो बुके रे?
अगो फेरवेलाक दिवपाक.
अरे देवा विसरले मरे हांव. तू कशेंय तरी थंय मॅनेज कर. तो मेरेन हांव बुके घेवन येता. तांकां व्हिडिओ बी कितें दाखय रे तूं.
बरें पूण बेगीन यो.
ओके ओके बरें.
नहीं है दूसरा.
अरे अच्छा ये दे दो आप. पानी पूरी दे दो.
बेटा मेरे पैसे.
I remember Anil as a very modest, humble and a process-oriented person. While I speak to you, I recollect the fond memories of TTPL. Very nice culture and very nice people. And within them, there is this gem of a person called Anil. I recollect all the good times that we have spent together, may it be at the Benjim office or visiting each other's houses for various occasions. Anil, your old house next to the temple, and of course the new one where we met for Diwali. Those were real fun days. Anil, I wish you and your family all the very best as you move to a new phase in your life, and I'm looking forward to catch up with you very soon. All the best, Anil.
Hi Anil, how are you? Actually, I wanted to give this talk on this occasion in Konkani. Okay, but maka Konkani ulai pak yana. In terms of you as a person, I have found you that sort of reclusive, silent type, except for the occasional loud laughter and jokes, which is very typical of the Anil that we all know, right? So in that there are many things. Of course, when we meet up next, we can catch up. And of course, other than the workplace, one thing I remember you for is being from Bangladesh. You are the guy, if I am not mistaken, who introduced the rest of the gang to Florentines in Saligaon, right? I think many of us would definitely agree that was definitely a good intro done by you. So on the occasion of your retirement, I would wish you all the very best, right? And wishing you and your family a great future ahead, and hope to see you soon, right? Bye.
Anil sir, हांव कीर्ती नाईक. आज हांवें आयकलें की तुमी रिटायर्ड जाता म्हणून. अनिल म्हणटकूच म्हाका ते दीस याद जावपाक लागले जेन्ना तुमी एअर शॉवरांतल्यान with a big smile, with that suitcase, तुम्ही एंट्री मारताले. आमी खूब खुश जातालीं. तुम्ही खुशेचो पावसूच घेवन आयिल्ल्या भशेन आमकां ते एंड ऑफ द मंथ तुम्ही सॅलरी घेवन येताले. आमी खूब खुश जातालीं. आनी तुमचें जेन्ना लग्न ठरलें तेन्ना सगळ्यांनी डिसायड केलें आमकां लग्नाक वचूं जाय, अनिलाचें लग्नाक वचूं जाय. सगळीं वयतालीं पण म्हाकाच खबर नाशिल्लें कशें वचपाचें कितें तें पेंजीड. सो राजेशा कडेन बायक आशिल्ली. सो हांवें ताका विचारलें तूं म्हाका व्हरतलो काय म्हणून. सो आमी तुझ्या लग्नाक आमी दोगांय वांगडा आयिल्लीं. सो त्या दिसाच्यान आज पर्यंत आमी वांगडाच आसा. तुमच्या लग्ना निमतान म्हाका एक लायफ पार्टनर मेळ्ळो आनी आमी तुका सदांच याद करतात आनी आमी तुका केन्नाच तुका विसरची ना. ऑल द बेस्ट सर. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर युअर फ्युचर. थँक यू.
Hi Anil, it gives me great pleasure talking about my dear friend. Staying in a department like finance for 3 decades altogether talks about the level of integrity you have maintained in professional life. I suppose some of these values you bring in for your upbringing in a joint family, the care for people, and the camaraderie you exhibit with everybody in the company makes us feel very proud of you. Wish you the very best for the rest of your life. I hope you are going to have a best of your times with the family back at home. Wish you the best.
Hi Anil, welcome to the Retired Club. Wish you a happy, healthy and prosperous retired life. May God bless you.
Hi Anil, I've got to know that you have come to the end of your tenure in Titan Time Products. It was nice working with you as a team. I cherish all the happy moments that we have spent together in Titan Time Products. I wish you all the best in your future. May God bless you with good health and happiness always.
Congratulations Anil on a wonderful career and best wishes for the next phase. It has been a pleasure to know and work with you for 15 years, but sad I cannot be with you in person today. To yourself, wife Sushma, son Kishan and daughter Nunali, I wish a long life, health and happiness. Thank you for everything you have done for me on a personal level, to open a bank account, teaching me how to save and investments. I still remember the proverb we shared and how much we laughed together. Hope you get some time for yourself now to do the things you enjoy, and of course spend some time with Sushma Bobby. Love and best wishes from Clary, Danica, Detroit and me. God bless and hope to see you soon. All the best.
Hi Anil, I just got to know that you have reached your retirement period. A huge thank you to you and also all the very best for your future. Every time I remember Anil, I can only remember him with a smiling face. Please continue the smiles. You were the first employee that I met when I joined Titan. All the very best.
Hi Anil, I just got to know that it is your farewell day today at Dunlop. In fact, I really enjoyed working with you. You were a great colleague as well as a great friend. Best of luck Anil Bab. remember to keep in touch. God bless you.
Hi Anil, thank you for being a tireless professional, a helpful co-worker and a very good friend. I hope you have a wonderful retirement. Thanks for your years of hard work and dedication.
Hi Anil. When the company was formed in 1991, the first acting CFO was me. When I landed in Goa for the first time, I met Anil there because Goa was very new to me, and Anil has helped me a lot in respect of getting various licenses, approvals, and basically on the excise, customs, those things. So he was very, very popular. Whichever department I go, and he knows somebody in there. So I used to make fun of him, saying that why can't you stand for an election instead of working for this company? Easily you can become a MLA. So that way, he's very, very famous. And I really, more than 20 years I worked with him. I really enjoyed working with him. And he never used to get very upset and other things. So once I got upset with him because one agreement I wanted to register. Then I told Anil, I want to register this document. Can you show me where is the registration office? He just shown the one place. It is a Junta building in somewhere near EDC. So I straight away went with the registration paper to that office, and the lady, registrar was there. That lady, she asked her, I want to register. I told her, I want to register this document. She immediately asked her, where is that girl? I said, why? The girl is required for registration. She said, no, this is a marriage registration office. It is nothing to do with other agreement and everything. Then I just came back. Then after coming back, I was very upset with Anil, and I really fired him that day. How can you do these things? Anyway, this is one of the lighter part. But his contribution to the company was great, including setting up of various department policies and procedure. So that way, he was very, very nice person to me and as well as to the company. I wish him all the best for the second phase of his life. Keep in touch with Mr. Anil K. Arandekar. Thank you. Bye.
It has been a pleasure working with Anil sir for the last many years in Titan earlier and now in Danlaw. I am sure everybody in the company will miss him. We will definitely miss him, and we hope to keep in touch with him after he retires from the company. Thank you Anil sir for everything. Thank you.
Good evening to all of you. It is my pleasure, pride and privilege to say a few words about Anil. I have rarely seen such a genuine human being, very modest and courteous and always smiling face, and who always thinks of the best of the company whichever employs him. It has been really a great pleasure working with him for almost 25 plus years, and I wish him all the best in his current assignment. Good day. Thank you.
Hi Anil, congratulations on your retirement, and I wish I could have been there in Goa. Unfortunately, because of my travels, I'm unable to make it. However, I do want to make sure you understand the entire organization along with me. We do really appreciate your service for almost 30 years. And everybody is very thankful for all the contributions you have made, and we wish you a very good success and a happy retirement life with your family. Congratulations again, and thanks for being part of the Danlaw family.
Hi Anil, this is to wish you a very happy retired life. Our best wishes are there with you always. Thank you.
All the very best, Anil, for your retired life.
Dear Anil, wishing you fun and happiness for your new beginning in life.
All the best, Anil.
Hi Anil, wish you a very happy retirement life filled with joy and happiness.
Hi Anil, it's great interacting with you for last 14 years or so. You know, you're always gentle in your heart and in your dealings. You're very soft-hearted. And you know, it's really great working with you, and I wish you all the best from the bottom of my heart. Wish you the best future ahead. Thank you.
Every ending is a new beginning. Wishing you all the good health and happiness as you enter towards the new path in your life. Stay safe and all the best, Anil.
Happy retired life, Anil.
Anil sir, Dev Bare Karu, wish you a happy retired life. Sir, wish you a very happy retired life.
Dear Anil sir, wish you a very happy retired life and a bright future ahead.
Sir, wish you a happy retired life.
Wish you all the best, Anil sir.
All the best, Anil.
Wish you all the best, Anil sir.
Wish you all the best, Anil sir.
All the best, Anil sir.
All the best, Anil. Thank you, Anil. All the best, Anil.
All the best, Anil.
Best of luck, Sir Anil, and wishing you all the best on the way to new journey of your life.
Wish you all the best, Anil.
Wish you all the best, good luck and good health in your future life.
All the best, Anil.
All the best, Anil, and thanks for all these years for making us happy on the last day of the month.
Anil, wish you a healthy life in the future.
I wish happy and healthy retirement life to you after rendering long service. All the best, sir.
All the best, Anil.
Wish you success and good luck, Anil.
All the best, Anil sir. All the best, Anil sir.
All the best, Anil.
All the best, Anil.
All the best, sir.
Best of luck, Anil.
All the best, Anil.
All the best, Anil.
All the best, Anil.
All the best, Anil sir.
All the best, Anil.
Wish you a happy retired life.
Wish you good luck, Anil.
All the best, Anil sir.
टाइटन गोवा की बुनियाद से पहले और अब तक का दौर एक दास्तां में बदल रहा। हम तो बच्चे ही थे जब आए थे और आप तो सुलझे हुए नौजवान थे। एक पल भी कैसे ढल गया, सब कितनी जल्दी हो गया। पीछे मुड़कर देखे तो सिर्फ आपकी प्यारी मुस्कान दिखाई दी। अपने ही काम में गुम रहना, किसी की भी बुराई न करना ही आपकी शान बनी। सीधे साधे इंसान हैं आप, धन कमाया पुण्याई से और पेश आए भक्ति मार्ग से। अब अलग होगी मंजिलें और अलग होगा रास्ता, ये दौर भी अब थम रहा। ए नौजवान, ठीक से देख तो सही, कहीं कुछ छूटा न हो, हमारी वजह से आपका दिल रूठा न हो। अगर रूठे भी हो तो एक दिलदार बनकर फिर से मिलने का वादा कर लो, क्योंकि जा रहा है वक्त जो वो दोबारा आने से रहा। दिल थामे आँखें पोंछकर अलविदा कहना पड़ रहा। जा रहे हो आप हमसे अलग होकर, हर स्थिति में हंसते और शांत रहने का उदाहरण छोड़कर। अब आप तो सज्जन नौजवान हैं हमसे बढ़कर, इसलिए आपको दुआएं तो नहीं दे सकते छोटी उम्र लेकर, लेकिन ईश्वर से सुखी जीवन के लिए प्रार्थना तो अवश्य कर सकते हैं आपके हमसफर बनकर। सेवानिवृत्ति की शुभकामनाएं।